नमस्ते नमस्ते। आर्य मंडी में बैठ के थोड़ा बात करेंगे हम। यू नो एनीथिंग अबाउट जातीस्वरम?
जातीस्वरम एक नृत्य आइटम है, उसमें जातीस और स्वर का कॉम्बिनेशन होता है।
थोड़ा डिटेल में बता पाएंगे आप हमें? एनीथिंग एल्स दैट यू वुड वांट टू से? ओके, व्हाट यू डू इज you read little bit about Jatiswaram, come tomorrow and we discuss about it in detail. So all the minute things about Jatiswaram. Is it okay? थोड़ा उठक बैठक कर लीजिए so that you feel little easy. Yes. Now see, दिस इज़ जातीस्वरम बहुत सारे रागों में हो सकता है। जो हम आपको सिखाने जा रहे हैं, जातीस्वरम दैट आई एम गोइंग टू टीच यू इज़ गोइंग टू बी इन कल्याणी राग. इट इज़ रूपक ताल. यू नो द बीट्स फॉर रूपक. तक क dim me. The song is going to go like this. So the first tirmanam, it starts with the tirmanam. Tirmanam is tat tai ta ha tai, tik tai ta ha tai, tat tai ta ha tai 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 di tai. It's a continuation thing. Then you go to the left side. So do it. 1 2 3 4. You sit, you are losing your Arimandi. Sit. It's 180 degrees. Yes. You sit. Right now. Sit in Arimandi. It is Tattai Taha Tai. So keep your shoulders tight. Okay. Can I start? 1 2 3 4. Tattai Taha Tai. Tai 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 Didi Tai Tai Taha Tai. Tai 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 Didi Tai. It is प्रैक्टिस कम किया है, वेकेशन हो गया ना, तो प्रैक्टिस चला गया है, आपकी बॉडी में से जा रहा है. सी बिफोर यू स्टार्ट एन आइटम यू रियली नीड टू डू लॉट ऑफ एक्सरसाइज सो दैट योर बॉडी गेट्स लिटिल एट ईज, यू नो, लिटिल लाइटर दैट यू फील. सो फिर से करेंगे एक बार. Now see, when you are doing tat tai ta ha, this has to go up and it should not be like this. It should remain here. It should remain here. Yeah, it is with force that you are doing. See, so it is tat tai ta ha, and then again you bend. You have to bend. Okay, it is here up and it is going down. Fine. Okay. Tat tai ta ha tai 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 ta ha tai. Tai 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 didi tai. You have missed that. Tat tai ta. Where is that jump? Yes, yes. You have to remain on your toes for that particular second. Okay, fine. Can we repeat it again? Just keep your shoulders tight. Sit in Arimandi. Don't lose your Arimandi. 1 2 3 4. Tat tai ta ha tai. Tai 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 didi tai tai ta ha tai. Tai 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 didi tai. You get it? See, it is when you are learning something, I think what first is you know the adavus, what you are supposed to do, and then try and be conscious about your anga shuddhi. The shoulders have to remain tight, your gestures should be very clear, and most importantly if it is the adavu is tat tai ta, when there is a jump you need to keep your toes and your heels up rather. Okay, and then when there is a bend you have to show that bend. Body bends are very important. So when you do tat tai ta ha, ta is a bend this side and ha is a bend opposite. Okay, can we repeat this again what you have done? Okay, fine. Please keep in mind your Aramandi, your Angashuddhi, your bendings are very important, okay? And you know this, where the hand goes, your eyes, they go, fine? 1, 2, 3, 4. Tai ta ha tai, tai 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 ta ha tai, tai 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 tai. Okay? Then the next to it is tat tai ta ha tai, dit tai ta ha tai, tat tai ta ha tai. When you say tai, you have to do like this. Yes, you have to look. Yes, so it is fast, but still you have to show it with your eyes. So where the hands they go, your eyes will follow. So it is tat tai ta ha tai. That tai, there is a little jerk. Tat tai ta ha tai. Tat tai ta ha tai. You place the wrong foot. Okay. It is when you do the right side, it is tat tai ta ha right. Okay. Tat tai ta ha tai. Dit tai ta ha tai. Again the same problem. Ta. You tai ta. This has to be clear. Ta. Your ta has to remain clear. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Tat tai ta ha tai. Dit tai ta ha tai. Tat tai ta ha tai. It is left. It is left. 1, 2, 3, 4. Tat tai ta ha tai. Dit tai ta ha tai. Ta again. Please try and concentrate on that when you do tat tai ta ha. Okay. 1, 2. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 4. Tat tai ta ha tai. Dit tai ta ha tai. Tat tai ta ha tai. When you are striking the left leg, it is the left side that you see. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Tat tai ta ha tai. Dit tai ta ha tai. You remember now the first part, the second part. Now can we combine that? So it is going to be tat tai ta ha tai. Tai 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 dit tai dit tai ta ha tai. Tai 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 dit tai tat tai ta ha tai. Dit tai ta ha tai. Is this okay? 1, 2, 3, 4. Tat tai ta ha tai. Tai 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 dit tai dit tai ta ha tai. Tai 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 dit tai tat tai ta ha tai. Dit tai ta ha tai. Now one more thing I would like to say. When you do tai 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 tai, it's a beautiful yes, beautiful thing to show. It is, you have to just bend your waist from here. It is tai tai, and with the eyes you show. It is tai 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 didi tai. Can you do it for me only this much? And then we do it again. Do it, do it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Tai tai. You see, there is a semicircle sort of a thing. It is tai 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 tai. It's a delicate thing, you know. 1, 2, 3, 4. Tai 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 didi tai. You understand? So, with all these Angashuddhis, these things are also very important. So, it gives you the grace in your dance. Okay. 1. Can we do it again? The first and the second, and then I go further. Sit. 1, 2, 3, 4. Tat tai ta ha tai. Tai 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 ta ha tai. Tai 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 ta ha tai. Ta ha tai. Okay. Now the second half of this is tak kitta ta di. Kedata tak kitta ta di. Kedata tak kitta kedata
Tak kitta.
twice.
Okay.
Okay. 1. Do you get it? 1, 2, 3, 4. Kitta ta di. Kitta. See, it is not here. The level of your hand goes down. Little level of your hand goes down. Yes. So you bend. You look that side. Yes. And your feet are crossing. It is in the front. It is in the front. Tak kitta kitta. Tak kitta ta de. Kedakadakadto. Tak kitta ta de. Kedakadakadto. There is another way of doing tak kitta. First you did like this. Now it is you lift up your leg and put it here. Tak kitta. The second time, yes. Which looks good. Let's try that. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Kitta. Kitta. Yes, you have to sit. Jump. Take a jump and sit. In Gurumandi. 1, 2, 3, 4. Kitta. This twice you jump. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Kitta. It is Utplavana. What is Utplavana?
Jump.
There is a jump. You show the jump. Okay. One more thing I would want to say is, when you do takkitta, the hands that you take, it is little down. You are taking it here. Okay. Please do it again. Yeah. Just hold on for a second. Yeah. There is a bend, right? Okay. And then what are you doing? Takkitta. No. Why it is a direct? Direct thing is from Katakamukha to Alapadma it goes.
Okay.
Right? So 1, 2, 3, 4. Kitta. No. You are again doing it directly. You just remember this takkitta ta di. So from Katakamukha to Alapadma. 1, 2, 3, 4. Kitta di. Kitta di. Tired? No, you cannot be tired. Huh? We have to finish the whole Jatiswaram. Okay. See, learning is one area. You can learn it fast. But when you have to do it with Anga Shuddhi, it takes time. You see? And you have to clear it with each Tirmanams, with each Korva Yamana. Okay? So, now, do you want to do it, this last piece, we do it once again. Takkitta ta di. Kedakadakadto. Takkitta ta di. Kedakadakadto. Takkitta ta di. Kedakadakadto. Is it okay? Fine. Can you go a little back? Yeah, fine. Because you have to jump, take jump. 1, 2, 3, 4. Takkitta di. Kedakadakadto. Kitta di. Your hands are going away back. When you do kitta, this has to remain here. Yeah, it goes away at the back. So is it okay? Now can we combine the whole thing again? Just first you remember. Okay? Tattai taha tay 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 taha tay 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 taha tay tay taha tay tay takkitta ta di kedakadakadtom takkitta ta di kedakadakadtom takkitta ta di kedakadakadtom. You remember? Can we do it again? The whole thing? Good, very good. 1, 2, 3, 4. Tay taha tay 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 taha tay 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 taha tay taha kitta di kedakadakadtom kitta bend ta di kedakadakadtom kitta ta di kedakadakadtom. You have to bend. Take a bend. Takkitta ta di kedakadakadtom takkitta. It's a bend every time. Okay. Good. Now we do the Jatiswaram from the starting with the eye movements, neck movements and the feet.
Okay.
Is it okay? Huh? I will sing once. With the next line, when I sing again, you start with the eye movement. I will tell you how it goes. Okay? Sa ni da pa dha ma ga re ni re sa ni re ga ma pa dha ni sa ni da pa dha ma ga re ni re sa ni re ga ma pa dha ni sa. You have to look down, then up. And when you are doing your eye movements, it is just right and left. It is sa ni, then you stop there. You don't look in front. Okay? Can we repeat it again? 1, 2, 3, 4. Sa ni da pa dha ma ga re ni re sa ni re ga ma pa dha ni sa ni da pa dha ma ga re ni re sa ni re ga ma ga badangu rakati kudakata ninge na tom dari dakata kundari keda kundari dakata kundari keda dakata jumtari dakata jumtari dakata jumtari bend bend down jumtari now see, it's okay, we will do it again. You remember the tirmanam, I can see that. Only thing is with the swara you have to do it. Okay, so now what I think one or two things that you are not able to remember is, first is you don't have to take it directly. You take Kataka Mukha, then Alapadma. Then when you do Ta Di, you have to take a jump there. Then when you come back, your heels are up. So you remember that. The third thing that you have to remember is the bends. The body bends are very important here. It is choreographed that way. Okay. So when you do Tattai Taha, it is coming. But Tak Kitta when you are doing, because I think it is not coming because your hands are here. They have to go down. When the hands will go down, you will automatically bend. Yeah. You sit in Arimandi. I'll just show you. Don't do anything. Just keep your hands. I'll show you the position. Yeah. This is the position. What you are doing is you are taking your hands up. Yes. So that is how you are not going to bend. When you take your hands down, you will automatically bend. Is it okay? Now, can I repeat it again for you? Fine. We start from the eye movements again. Okay? I will sing once the first line. With the second time, you start with your eye movements. Okay? Sa ni da pa dha ma ga re ni re sa ni re ga ma pa dha ni sa ni da pa dha ma ga re ni re sa ni re ga ma pa dha ni sa ni da pa dha ma ga re ni re sa ni re ga ma ga badangu rakati kudakata ninge na tom jumtari dakata kundari keda dakata jumtari dakata kundari keda dakata jumtari dakata jumtari dakata jumtari dakata jumtari da di jumtari dakata jumtari da di jumtari dakata jumtari da di. Take care. We do it again. Do it once again. Now, this time when you did it, you were bending your body. So that is how you remember. You practice once, twice, thrice, and you'll be able to remember the Angashuddhis and all. It makes a lot of difference. You dance with the Angashuddhis, proper Angashuddhis and the gestures and all. It makes a lot of difference, you see. Now I will directly sing. You start with the Tirumala. Is it okay? Dadangu dakati kudakata dinge na tom jumtari dakata kundari keda jam tari ta re targad targad tom tak jam tari ta jam tari ta re targad targad tom tak jam tari ta jam tari ta re targad targad tom. Is it okay? So this was your first Tirmanam. Now before going into the next korve, that is the first korve, the joining part that we do. Okay, 1 2 3 4. Ni da pa dha ma ga re sa ni re ga ma pa dha ni sa ni da pa dha ma ga re sa. See, your hands are going down. You do this. So till here it is fine, but when you are looking there, the hands are going down, so it remains at the same place. Yes, it is only from Katakamukha to Alapadma that you are changing. Fine. Okay. We do it again. And here, what about the Attami? And then you have to look where the hand goes, the eyes they will go, right? See, 1 2 3 4. Ni da pa dha ma ga re sa. Dimple, you are not looking at your hands. It is beyond that. Okay. So when you do your Attami, when you are looking here, it is here everywhere that you are looking. It is not. You don't stop your eyes here. Is it okay? Once again. 1 2 3 4. Ni da pa dha ma ga re sa ni re ga ma pa dha ni sa ni da pa dha ma ga re sa ni re ga ma pa dha ni. Before going further, there is a little correction that I would like to do. When you are doing the left side, it is fine. The legs, they go diagonal. The feet movement, they are diagonal. When you are going to the right side, you are not placing it diagonally. You see. So what about your knee? Yes, exactly. The left side it is coming. The right side is not coming. So can we tak ka dim? No, don't let it go down. It is there only from Katakamukha to Alapadma. That's it. You don't take it down. Fine. But just remember about this. Left side is fine. Just concentrate on your right side. Can we do it again? Just show it to me before I start singing it again. 1 2 3 4. Tak ka dim mi. You have to balance. Tak ka dim mi. Tak ka dim. No. Why do you adjust? It's difficult to keep your balance. Yes, but you have to do it. So when you place your feet, it has to be very firm. The first place itself. Is it okay? Fine. We do it again. Will you remember this? I sing the line and you do it again. Fine. 1 2. No, we do it from here. 2 3 4. Ni da pa dha ma ga re sa ni re ga ma pa dha ni sa ni da pa dha ma ga re sa ni re ga ma pa dha ni sa ni da pa dha ma ga re sa ni re ga ma pa dha ni. Then we start with the first one. So for you, till now, the eye movements, then we did the what did we do? Stamping. Yes, absolutely. We did the stamping, then
Tirmanam.
Then the Tirmanam. So the Tirmanam, you see, it does not start with the Sama. It starts the halfway. So that you have to remember from which place it starts. Okay? When I say Dharangu Takatiku, it's definitely you know how to start. We do the Tirmanam. After the Tirmanam and before going to the first Kovai, there is this joining part. Okay? That you complete it. So now, are you clear this much? We start from the first. Okay? Sa ni da pa dha ma ga re ni re sa ni re ga ma pa dha ni sa ni da pa dha ma ga re ni re sa ni re ga ma pa dha ni sa ni da pa dha ma ga re ni re sa ni re ga ma ga dharangu takatiku takatari gena tom cham tari takata kundari gena takata cham tari takata kundari gena takata cham tari takata cham tari takata cham tari takata cham tari adri kadagadagadam cham tari takata cham tari de kadagadagadam cham tari takata cham tari da de kadagadagadam sa ni da pa dha ma ga re ni sa ni re ga ma pa dha ni sa ni da pa dha ma ga re ni re sa ni re ga ma pa dha ni sa ni da pa dha ma ga re ni re sa ni re ga ma pa dha ni. Now I will do it and you follow.
Okay.
I will just show you with my hands and you have to follow. Okay? 1, 2, come forward. 1, 2, 3, 4. Sa ni da pa dha ma ga re ni re sa ni sa. 1, 2, 3, 4. Sa ni da pa dha ma ga re ni re sa ni re ga ma pa dha ni sa. Now you have come to know what it is, which are the adavus in that. But we have to do it now with the clarity, with the anga shuddhi, with your eye movements, with your body bends, all such things. You have to keep in mind everything. When you sit back, what is going to be your posture? You are in Murumandi, and the Murumandi has to be very clear with your knees out. Is it okay? You know all these things, right? So we just keep these things in mind and do it again. Okay? Fine. I will sing it for you again. You remember the thing now?
Yeah.
You do it the thrice in the last. Tatti, gini, tom, tatti. 1, 2, 3, 4. Sa ni da pa dha ma ga re ni re sa ni re ga ma pa dha ni. You are, when you do tatti, give knuckles a carvai over there. You have to take a pause. There is a gap. Carvai, you know, it's a gap. So there is a gap little bit. You are doing it fast. So it is going little out of the. Okay? We do it again. 1. Once you do it on the right side, the same thing we repeat on the left side again. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4. Sa ni da pa dha ma ga re ni re sa ni re ga ma pa da ni sa ni da pa da ma ga re sa ni re ga ma pa da ni sa ni da pa da ma ga re sa ni re ga ma pa da ni sa ni da pa da ma ga re sa. This was the first korvai. You do it on the right side, the whole thing again you do it on the left side. Is it okay? Now, do you remember? Now let's do this Chatiswara from the top. Okay? Sa ni da pa dha ma ga re ni re sa ni re ga ma pa dha ni sa ni da pa dha ma ga re ni re sa ni re ga ma pa dha ni sa ni da pa dha ma ga re ni re sa ni re ga ma ga darang gudakati gudakata ringena tom tacham dari takada kundari takundari geda tak cham dari takadai kundari takundari geda tak cham dari takada tak cham dari takadai tak cham dari da de kadakadar tom tak cham dari da de kadakadar tom tak cham dari da de kadakadar tom sa pa da ma ga re ni re sa ni re ga ma pa dha ni sa ni da pa dha ma ga re ni re sa ni re ga ma pa dha ni sa ni da pa dha ma ga re ni re sa ni re ga ma pa dha ni sa ni da pa dha ma ga re ni re sa ni re ga ma pa dha ni sa ni da pa dha ma ga re ni re sa ni re ga ma pa dha ni sa ni da pa dha ma ga re ni re sa ni re ga ma pa dha ni sa ni da pa dha ma ga re sa ni re ga ma pa dha ni sa. आपको याद रह गया पूरा इतना from the starting that we did? Can you just repeat it for me? What did you do from the starting? How did you complete it with the first korvai?
First eye movement, then stamping, उसके बाद kirvanam, then
The joining part.
and फिर korvai.
Korvai, पहले korvai खत्म किया. So you are comfortable now? Will you be able to remember this much?
Yes.
Okay, so because today we are ending this class over here, but what you have to do when you go back home, you repeat this again and again 4-5 times, at least minimum 4-5 times, because tomorrow when you come for the class we repeat this thing again, then we go to the next korvai, the second one. So you have to remember, please keep in mind about your arai mandi, your body bendings, your gestures, your shoulders they have to be tight, and all these things you just keep in mind when you practice with this consciousness, so that when you come tomorrow for the class, you have to remain conscious, but still you will be able to do it nicely. Okay, so is it okay? You have any doubts, any questions that you would want to ask me before we stop our class over here, or you are clear with whatever that you have learnt today? It is fine. Okay, so do namaskara. Dada, good.